controversial. ETH and the metaverse only. Is it like a one trade market? Let's take a look. Let's start out with SHIB. Now, SHIB's coming off. Not really a surprise. What does SHIB represent? Well, SHIB has become the ultimate fear of missing out trade. It was Bitcoin in 2017, where everybody watched this thing that no one really understood or liked, Bitcoin, go from 5K to 20K in like 2 months. And people missed out, and it was on the front page of the New York Times. Ha ha, everyone's getting rich but you. And then it dumped for 2 years. Then, the story gets around that somebody put $8,000 in SHIB and made $5 billion. Now, what that's done is that has triggered everyone running around like chickens with their head cut off, trying to find something that trades for a penny, trying to find the next thing that's trading at zero that's going to make them a billionaire. Now, we're all about value investing. We're all about altcoins, but we're also all about helping you be smart, or at a minimum, not be stupid. So if you're chasing green candles, or if you're buying stuff that you don't know what it is just because it's trading at zero or a fraction of a penny, we would ask that you think about what you are doing. Now, on the subject of what's going on in this market, I am closely watching on TradingView Total 3. That is total altcoin market cap, or total market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So yesterday, ETH was doing good. Solana, DOT, all doing price discovery, new highs. Yet, total altcoin market cap cannot hold up above $1 trillion. Now, I'm going to ask a ridiculous question. We know ETH is good. We know DOT is good, or at least we suspect so. We know Solana and AVAX have value propositions. But what about all the rest of the altcoins? Like, what about everything outside the top 200 or the top 100 or the top 50? Do they have a value proposition? Probably. Will they get hammered in a correction? Most likely, yes, bordering on definitely. So one of the themes that we gave our premium customers yesterday is, when you look at altcoins, you have to ask yourself, okay, I'm either hodling this or I'm getting involved for the first time because today's my first day in crypto. What am I going to own that's going to survive a correction? Now, nothing survives a bear market. Don't kid yourself. But if there's a correction that might last between 1 and 10 days, will this thing that I own come back? Now, based on the fact that total altcoin market cap is having trouble at $1 trillion, I strongly suggest that you ask yourself these questions about everything that you own. Because if the market goes up, it may be Bitcoin, ETH, DOT, and Solana. But if the market goes down, yeah, those other coins may correct 5 or 10%. But what's going to happen to the rest of the alt universe? Is it going to get totally hammered? Do you want to deal with that heading into the US holiday season? I don't. So yesterday's presentation to the private group was about like the new smart, right? It's like check yourself, or the new happy. Now, let's just do a reminder about sentiment. Just a reminder. Every time you mix legacy and Bitcoin, bad stuff happens, right? CME Bitcoin futures came out in 2018 at the top. Miners used the contract to hedge and sell everything in a very liquid market. And that started a price crash that was exacerbated by higher interest rates. Then came the Coinbase IPO and the GBTC unlock from the equity market, where basically a whole bunch of Bitcoin was either sold to buy Coinbase, or other things that happened in the market as Bitcoin and legacy interlocked and interacted. That led to Bitcoin getting hammered.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.